Hello and welcome to all the wonderful dogs we have for adoption on Friday, June 26th. In room 101, we have Edith. Edith is a 3-year-old spayed female with a high energy level. Edith in room 101. In room 104, we have Rio. Rio is a 4-year-old spayed female with a high energy level. Rio in room 104. In room 105, we have Catalea. Catalea, she is a 1.5-year-old spayed female with a high energy level. Catalea. In room 107, we have Jimmy. Jimmy is a 6-year-old neutered male with a high energy level. Jimmy in room 107. In room 108, we have Parker. Parker is a 5-year-old neutered male with a moderate energy level. Parker in room 108. In room 111, we have Beyonce. Beyonce is a 2-year-old unneutered female with a moderate energy level. Beyonce in room 111. In 112, we have Baby. Baby is a 5-year-old spayed female with a moderate energy level. Baby. In room 115, we have Louie. Louie is a 4-year-old neutered male with a moderate energy level. Louie in room 115. In 116, we have Nitro. Nitro is a 12-year-old neutered male with a moderate energy level. Nitro in room 116. In 117, we have Jersey. Jersey is a 2.5-year-old spayed female with a high energy level. Jersey in 117. In room 118, we have Fiona. Fiona is a 4-year-old unneutered female with a high energy level. Fiona in room 118. In 119, we have Peter. Peter is a 3-year-old unneutered male with a high energy level. Peter in room 119. In room 120, we have Rossi. Rossi is a 1-year-old unneutered male with a moderate energy level. Rossi in room 120. In 121, we have Dreyfus. Dreyfus is a 2-year-old unneutered male with a moderate energy level. In room 123, we have Natasha. Natasha is a 5-year-old unneutered female with a moderate energy level. Natasha, room 123. Room 124, we have Jax. Jax is a 5-year-old unaltered male with a moderate energy level. Jax. In room 125, we have Gilbert. Gilbert is a 2-year-old unaltered male with a high energy level. Gilbert in room 125. 126, we have Stanley. Stanley is a 1-year-old unneutered male with a high energy level. Stanley in room 126. In 127, we have Aurora. Aurora is a 5-year-old unneutered female with a moderate energy level. Aurora in room 127. In room 128, we have Martini. Martini is a 1-year-old spayed female with a moderate energy level. Martini in 128. In 129, we have Gypsy. Gypsy is a 3-year-old spayed female with a moderate energy level. Gypsy in room 129. In room 130, we have Ricardo. Ricardo is a 1.5 year old unneutered male with a low energy level. Ricardo in room 130. In room 131, we have Napoleon. Napoleon is a 2-year-old unneutered male with a high energy level. Napoleon. In 133, we have Arthur. Arthur is a 2-year-old unneutered male with a moderate energy level. Arthur in room 133. In room 134, we have D. D is a 1.5 year old unneutered male with a high energy level. D in room 134. 134. In 135, we have Orchid. Orchid is a 3-year-old unneutered female with a moderate energy level. Orchid in room 135. And in room 136, we have Molly. Molly is a 5-year-old unaltered female with a high energy level. Molly in room 136. This concludes all of our available dogs for adoption at Pinellas County Animal Services for Friday, June 26th. Everybody have a good weekend.